So you want to save up some time opening specific web browsers that you usually open up every single time whenever you use your computer. Well, the best way to do this is just to make a simple Python script. You create a file, you name it however you want it, make sure it's a .py extension for Python. You have to edit the file, doesn't matter how you're going to edit the file, just something that you can edit a text with, and then you have to import a web browser library, and then you have to type in web browser open underscore new underscore tab, and then you just have to type in a specific URL address that you want the script to open up for you. So in my case, I'm just gonna do YouTube. Then you save the file, you open it, and it opens. Well done, you just wrote a simple script in Python. Now, how do you automate this every single time when you log into your account? Yeah, you go to run shell startup, and you just drag and drop the file, and every single time when you log in now, this file will be executed and it will open up YouTube or wherever address you specified in the script. So thank you for listening and have a wonderful day.